Water and universe in the beginning. Allah existed alone. There was nothing along with him, and there was nothing before him. He was above the clouds with no air below it and with no air above it, and his throne was on the water where he is written, "My mercy prevails, my wrath, Allah." In verse 7 of Surah Hud says, "It is he who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and his throne was upon the waters," in the book of Genesis. It is written that in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. Did you notice one thing before the creation of Allah? There was water. He was on the water. Many other ancient civilizations also talked about water before its creation. For example, the Mesopotamians, particularly the Sumerians, believed that the universe was created from the chaos of primordial waters. The Egyptians had several creation myths, the most prominent being the Heliopolitan cosmogony, where the god Adam emerged from the primordial waters Nen and created the universe in Hindu cosmology. The universe is often described as originating from an endless ocean. The Rig Veda, one of the oldest Hindu texts, describes the universe as arising from cosmic waters. In one creation hymn, the world emerges from a cosmic egg that floats in the primordial waters. Many Native American cultures also have myths in which water plays a central role in creation. For example, the Cherokee and Iroy creation stories involve the earth being formed on the back of a turtle that rises out of the primordial waters. As the stories of these ancient civilizations do not talk about the one God Allah, so I won't talk much about them. But the thing is, all of them talk about the waters in the Bible. It is written that, "And God said, let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters from the waters. And God made the expanse and separated the waters that were under the expanse from the waters that were beyond the expanse. Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters." This phrase indicates that God created a division within the primordial waters that initially covered the earth. The expanse is the sky or atmosphere that separates the waters into two distinct realms. Separate the waters from the waters. This means that God created a division between the waters. On earth, ocean, seas, and the waters above, often understood as the sky or the realm above the earth. This separation creates the physical structure of the earth as we understand it, with the sky separating the surface waters from the atmospheric or cosmic waters. The passage suggests that the earth and the heavens were once united before being separated by God. This notion aligns intriguingly with the concept that the universe originated from a singular point, commonly referred to as a singularity. In modern cosmology, I went into great length about this Bible scripture, because the Quran backs up this narrative. Allah in verse 30 of Surah Anbiya says, "Do the disbelievers not see that the heavens and the earth were one mass, and we tore them apart, and we made from water every living thing? Will they not believe?" What does science say about the creation of the universe? All of us somehow must have